Trader, FedEx daily chart, $300 puts in play right up here. We knew the weakness was in the stock through our channel checks that we had. So last quarter they did okay. This quarter there is weakness in FedEx shipments and they're guiding it down. And you're testing the 200-day. We look at buying dips when this happens with earnings. This is an earnings play in FedEx. So now we're making money as it drops, $29, and it's testing the 200-day and the 150-day, and we buy it there, and then we keep stops below it. And that's what we do. We buy that 200-day on FedEx. Enjoy the trades with us by signing up.